Panasonic DVD player DP-UB9000P1K 4K Ultra High Definition Blu-ray Player with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision Playback. Hi, welcome my friend. Experience the finely nuanced colors and rich detailed images that film creators intended with precise chroma processing with the Panasonic Hollywood Cinema Experience HCX processor. Studio Master Quality Audio. Future-proofed picture quality. Connect with a vibrant, high-resolution image in 4K, HDR format, HDR10 Plus, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and hybrid log gamma. This Blu-ray DVD player has an HCX Hollywood Cinema Experience processor to optimize color, clarity, and detail in 4K HDR formats such as HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. Enjoy vibrant, theater-worthy video and audio in 4K UHD Blu-ray with 4K upscaling, VOD, 4K streaming, voice assist, and more. Experience pure audio performance with analog audio circuits that include a dedicated audio power supply, high-performance DA converter and XLR balanced, ESS 32-bit 192 kHz DAC supports a full rich soundstage revealing nuance in every performance. The inflections of the voice, the thrum of a guitar string. Control the player easily using your voice, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, sold separately. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.